All right, Coach Jared is going to be demonstrating a single arm lat pull down. So this is commonly programmed for someone who's got maybe some shoulder differences. So one arm might be a little weaker than the other. So always keep it in neutral grip. So Coach Jared, you want to make sure that he grips it nice and tight. Full stretch first in the arm, and then you want him to keep in that neutral position at the bottom. Go pull down, then add a nice pause in. Hold. During this pause, you want to make sure the shoulder blade is packed. He's staying tall, he's not leaning into that side, and he's squeezing through here. Come up, do a few good reps. He's doing a great job at looking ahead. And the tempo is usually up, pulling down, pause, 2 seconds up. And then one big note here, if you want to get that person to feel it a little more, you have them pause, and you want to place your hands behind their elbows and tell them to really pull down into my hand, pull down. So now he's feeling a lot more through here.